Today we have to share in a given ratio, sharing any amount in the ratio which is given in the question. So first question we have is, for example, share 9 in the ratio 2:1. So I have to share it in the ratio 2:1. So let's just consider that the ratios are like boxes. I have 2 boxes, ratio 1 box. So how many boxes are there in total? 2 and 1. So in total there are 3 boxes. So 9 needs to be split up among those 3 boxes. That can also be said as like 9 has to be divided between 3. So if I divide 9 by 3, each box will have 3. So there are 3 lots of 3, they make 9. So now I have to write, so 2:1, 2 has 2 boxes, each has 3, which will become 6, and 1 has 1 box of 3, which will remain as 3. So final answer to this question will be 6:3. If I just divide share 9 in ratio 2:1. Let's look at another example. Now I have to share 20 in the ratio 1:3. So in total, I have 4 boxes. So that means 20 needs to be divided between 4. So 20 divided by 4, each will be 5. Each box will be equal to 5. So 1 has 5. And on the other side, 3 has 3 lots of 5, which is equal to 15. Answer will be 5:15. So do I have to draw these boxes every single time? Answer is no. There is a mathematical procedure how you can do it another way. That is, share 32 in the ratio 1:3. So what do you have to do is you have to add ratios together. That's what you were doing anyway. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Then divide the total by your answer from step 1, which is 4. So you have to divide the total amount which you have to share, that is 32 in this case, by your answer from step 1, which is 4. 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8. Then I have to multiply my answer from step 2 by each of the ratios. So once I will multiply my answer, that is 8 by 1, which is 8, and then by 24, which is 24. Let's do another example. So don't have to do anything. So I have to divide 20 in the ratio 2:3. So what is the total? How many parts are there in total? Total parts is equal to 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. So that means I have to divide 20 into 5 parts. 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. So one part is equal to 4. So then I have to look at this. If I just show you with different color, then 2 parts will be equal to 4 times 2, which is 8. 3 parts will be equal to 4 times 3, 4 lots of 3, which is equal to 12. So my final answer will be 8 and 12. So if I just have a look, copy this example down in your book and I will show you a bit more later.